y'all, and my moo and all. I'm about to take my lash extensions off. It ain't that much on, but it ain't that much not on. Feel me? But cause I'm but I'm about to take these off. Look at me looking at the video because I refuse to have my eye burning. I seen lots of people say the shit be burning your eyes, but I'm about to take these off because it's time to come off. And I have y'all sitting right there watching. All right. Okay. This is the one I got. I don't know, y'all open on the package. And I got these damn balls all over my dresser. Little mini balls, they put in my stuff. I never forget y'all one time I was little. And I was like, y'all had, well, I don't know, mama, I had them little kitchen sets, little cups and little stuff, little you know, that. So I never forget y'all, I took the little teacup and I had put the balls in there. I was like, Mommy, look, it's this. She was like, oh, no. And she took it and I had to wash my stuff. And she was like, that's not good. I was always doing some shit. Anyway, y'all, I'll be back. I'm about to get some Q-tips, cotton swabs, and I'm coming back. Alright, y'all, I'm back. Got cotton swabs. I am about to try to take this off. Let's hope for the best, y'all. It's gel. And y'all about to see how it comes out. I never used this before. I'm talking like I know what the phone was. That's why I'm doing this video, but I'm gonna hold my lashes down and put them on. Y'all probably better see because no, it's not burning. Yes, I'm kind of scared. Put some on. It's been 5 minutes, but I feel like it has not been 5 minutes. But that's what the people saying, so I guess I'm gonna try to get them off. Let's see. Oh. So far they're not budging. At the fuck off. Like, did I do it wrong? Like, one came off. I'm so disappointed right now. Like, the fuck? That's some favoritism around this motherfucker. I'm like, what's going on? Okay, a couple more. Oh, I said I'm putting else here. Oh shit, pass that now. I'm just gonna put some more on there. It's like, y'all, what the fuck, bro? Don't piss me off. I'll do more this time. Well, that's how y'all doing. Okay, I can see it. I'm gonna do 5 more minutes. Let's see the shirt. Oh, wait, yeah, white. Oh, no, I gotta make up. One more. Wipe this shit off my skin. These are gonna dry, but whatever.
You're right. It's not my fault. It's your fault.
No, this don't work. Grandma not gonna be mad. Grandma just gonna be hurt. Hurting. Cause come on now. At this point, it's been 10 minutes since both, I guess, what, coats. And I'm just spoolie through the holes again. I'm gonna try to do the pulling at the first and then I'm gonna spool through. Let's see, guys. Go. These holes are not budging. Like, I'm so aggravated right now. I'm about to literally, like, lose my shit. I'm trying so hard not to get on camera, y'all. But I'm getting frustrated as fuck. I'm about to just, like, do it like that and then, oh, shit. It's the guy over there. Oh. Oh, maybe. Oh, hold on now. Hold on now. So a few hairs. It's hard because of the light on the beach. Hold on, I'm gonna move the light off the beach. A few hairs that done came off. In the game. Just a couple. Just a couple. With no hairs in them for real. Okay. Let's try to get some more. Oh. Grandma not mad. Grandma ain't even hurt. Okay. I think the key is just to put him more on there. Or maybe it's the spoolie, I don't know. But it's working all of a sudden, y'all. I am happy. Happy as hell. 5 more minutes, y'all. 5 more minutes. Maybe 6, maybe 7, maybe 8, but at least 5. Okay, y'all, I'm back. That did not take no motherfucking 2 to 5 minutes. Definitely didn't take 30 minutes, and definitely didn't take a fucking hour. I'm gonna leave it at that. That shit took some motherfucking time. Anyways, though, lashes off, eyelashes still there, and I guess now I'm gonna show y'all my outfit for tonight. I'm going to my friend's birthday dinner, and this is my outfit. From Shein. I mean, not Shein, Lord. See, I'm supposed to get shit from Shein. But it's from Amazon. Came in 2 days. And this shit better be too. Smell good. I hope it's enough. I gotta look at Amazon shit because, like, they'll send you some shit unused. It smells new. Look new. But this is the jumpsuit. I got it in a small. And it looks small now. But yeah, I'm gonna put it on. It's a dinner party. I'm gonna put these on, some gold. I got some gold heels that lace up. I'm gonna put them on. I got my gold purse. I love my gold purse. I'm gonna put that on. Got the gold accessories. Gonna change my gold earrings. You know, the gold vibe, but golden jean vibe. But yeah, I just want to show you my outfit. Yeah, it's giving them so good. And I'm supposed to get my eyebrows done today, probably before the dinner, and I'll probably just check back in with y'all maybe like a little later. I don't know, probably when I'm gonna get my eyebrows done, to be honest. Yeah. Hey y'all, back with another episode. Oh goodness, god damn. But yeah, that was another episode. I'm on the way to the eye doctor right now. It is September the 25th. It's a Wednesday. And yeah, I'm going to the eye doctor right now. Then after I leave the eye doctor, I gotta make another stop. So I'm just gonna be all over. I just woke up. Got straight to it. And I'm tired, y'all. But yeah, we moving though. So yeah. I'm not about to get what I'm about to do. Y'all, I just heard what I'm gonna do, and I already got nothing to say as of right now. So I'll probably hop back and see how I leave the eye doctor and see how what they said, because yeah, it's gonna be interesting. But I never went to eye doctor. Aside from them little tests that you do at the doctor, you know, when you're going to your pediatrician, and they have you like looking at all them things and, you know, the little charts and shit like that. That's all I ever did. I've never went to like the actual like eye doctor. So this is going to be interesting to see what vision I have, because I know for a damn fact it's not 2020. So we're going to see. It's going to be interesting. I will say, like, my vision's out there. Like, I can definitely see, like, you know, I can see street signs. I can read. But like at night, like lights be like, you know, when the lights go, like, damn hazy, like that. And then like I will say, ever since school, like this is happening since like high school. Like, you know, when you're looking at something and like you can't see it, when you squint, like it makes like you can see the board, you can see. That's me. Hi, my name is Bria, and that's my vision. So we're gonna see what they got to say about that, and what's what, and if it would have been better if I would have been came, and we're gonna see all they talk about, because you know it's gonna be, yeah. If y'all went to the eye doctor, how is it? I mean, I'm pretty sure the outfit's someone already know, of course, but you know, just making conversation. But I'm gonna get off camera, y'all, so I can play my music. Well, it's not connecting right now. It's acting so stupid. But I was trying to connect my radio. I'm trying to hurry up before my music start coming on. What the fuck? Anyways, though, I'm gonna hit y'all later. Trying to get to the doctor. Gotta be there in like freaking 4 minutes, and I'm like 6 minutes away. Maybe 2 minutes later. I'll hit y'all later. Talk to y'all later. I'm back, leaving the eye doctor. I need glasses real bad, y'all. It's so funny. But yeah, I need glasses. Well, I knew that, but yeah. Especially for night driving. So I got me some glasses. Hopefully I'll have them in like 2 weeks. I'm about to go to, what the fuck are you doing, G? I'm finna go meet with my recruiter, and then I gotta hurry up and push it home so that I can go with my dad to help pick out lights. So I want to move right now. Now I'm for real up and at 'em. That took longer than I thought, y'all. My appointment was at 11:30. It's 1 o'clock and I'm just not leaving. So yeah, I was not expecting it to take that long for real, but it did. So now I'm just trying to get there to her so I can get everything done there. And like I said, push it back home. And yeah. So shoot, I'm gonna get back to y'all probably when I get home. And yeah. Oh y'all, full effect. So y'all know how people typically when you go get your eyes, you know, done or like looked at, they have to like dilate them so that it can get like big. Apparently mine's already big, so she didn't have to dilate it. And I just thought that was so cool. I was like, wow. So yeah, like I did not have to get them dilated. Yeah. So yeah, I'll get back to y'all probably when I get back to my dad. We'll be picking lights. Hey y'all, it is Friday, September 27th. It is like, Lord, kiss my hair, y'all. It is like, oh look at that. Let's sit up. But it's like almost 9 o'clock. Me and my homegirl came to get some dinner. It's her birthday. It's her birthday. It's her birthday. Queen. And we came to get some food, man, because we're hungry after a nail appointment. I did her nails. Show the nails. Birthday girl.
Zoom in, yeah.
It's the period. Quadruple. But yeah, we just really just came to get a quick meal. I gotta work tomorrow. And she got to be today before we go out of town for her birthday dinner. So it's really just a quick little something. We ain't got nothing on the table right now. I'm on the side. I got my little lemonade and my water. She got that's liquor. That's liquor. He put too much liquor in there. But we went to another Longhorn on the other side of town, not the number one, so I'll give them that. But oh y'all, food just came. Well, both of us got it. I got a sweet potato. She got a regular potato. Mashed potato.
You're welcome, girl.
Thank you, boo.
You're welcome.
Yay. Hey, y'all. This is the food. Y'all know I love a salmon. And, yeah. Not the food I bet you gonna eat. I'm so hungry. I gotta work. We ain't got all day. So, I'll get back to y'all probably tomorrow when I get to Charlotte for her birthday dinner. I really probably want to go pick up my phone. Look at my phone. I'm gonna do an unboxing video, but that's gonna be a separate video. Cause yeah. But I'll get back to y'all tomorrow. Hey y'all. I'm on the way to Charlotte for my homegirl birthday dinner. I just got my eyebrows on, y'all. They look too far. But yeah, I'm on the way to Charlotte. I'm also finna pick up my iPhone, my new phone. And I'm gonna make a pit stop to Five Below so I can put a case on that bitch and a screen protector because I ain't playing no motherfucking games. But yeah, I'm on the way basically, like I said, to Charlotte. And yeah, I'm just driving right now, y'all. I got like 47 minutes to go. So like 40, probably 32. But yeah, I'm on the way. We're eating at Eddie V's. I'm so excited because I want to eat there for a minute. So y'all, I'm so excited. I already got my mind. I really want to salmon. I had salmon last night, as y'all see on my hold on, y'all. They call. Y'all, I'm back. I made it to the hotel room, and I got my phone. I'm about to do an unboxing video right now, and yeah, show a little bit of comparison of the two. And you know, yeah, just gonna do what's the word, y'all? Y'all know what I'm saying. A phone review or unboxing or whatever the girlies be saying. I'm about to do it right now. So yeah, be on the lookout for that video because yeah. Okay guys, so I have the iPhone Pro Max 16. Unbox it with me. Ooh, this is how it looks. She's a beauty. So I'm gonna compare it to my iPhone 13 Pro Max. I wish they had the colors though, because like I love the fuck out of this color. But side to side, it's not that much bigger, but you can definitely tell the difference. Yeah, it is a little thinner. It's thinner. I feel like this is a smidge thinner than this. Let's turn it on though. How do you turn it on, y'all? Oh, both do. Yeah. It's easy. Okay, I'm gonna come back when it's I guess activated.